Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like 3 slide split video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a color and I'm going to change this to 1 by 1. Just going to adjust it like so, and I am going to mask it by pressing the rectangle button. And so this is 180 by 180, so you're just going to make the height 180, and this size you can use a calculator to split it into 3 to be more accurate. So divided by 3 is 360, so you're going to want to select the 360 size for it. And then I am also going to add in a sticker. You can add in a picture as well if you'd like to. So let me see which sticker I want for this. Maybe something from this one. I'm going to add in this sticker right here. Well, let me just download it first. Then I'm just going to resize it like so. I might also make this a little bit longer. Oops. Maybe up to like 10 seconds-ish. Then I'm going to select these two, right click, create compound clip, and I'm just going to do that for the other. Once you have your 3 slides ready, you're just going to select the first video, go to mask and select split, and I'm going to move it from up to down, so I'm just going to like leave it like that. And you can also like feather it out just a little bit, maybe like 15, that's fine. And then I'm going to add in a keyframe at the beginning, and like in the middle kind of, I'm just going to put the line down. If you can't pull it down, just go to position and select it twice, and then you're just going to move it down, and you are just going to remove the feather as well. And then on the second one, I'm going to wait for it to start here, so on top of the other keyframe kinda. Then go to split and then rotate it this way, and then feather it out again like 15, and pull it down here, and then you are going to add a keyframe again at the beginning, and then kind of like here I'm going to put the keyframe up here and delete the feather to 0, and then on this one I'm going to slide it here, and then again using the split, I'm basically doing the same thing as what I did on the first one. Then like here, actually I'm going to make this a little bit longer later, hold on. And we're going to we're going to move this down here, and we're going to remove the feather. Oops, I think I forgot to put a keyframe before. Sorry about that. Hold on, that was my bad. There you go, and I'm just going to make these longer. If you can't, just like put it back together so it forms it all the same, like so. And if you want to add a background before that so it's not plain, you can like add in another color like this behind everything else, like so. And this is what your video should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!